Very good. Drama. Good morning, mga lalab. Welcome back to aming channel and welcome back home. Nakauwi na kami. So, kahapon di na ako nakapag-vlog dito sa bahay. Pero nakauwi na kami. Pansin nyo, hindi pa talaga totally malinis. Ayan o. Hindi pa talaga ako naglinis. Baka bukas na lang. Kasi andito naman din si Sophia. Yung luggage namin andyan pa. And si Bana pinapatulog ko pa. Hindi pa namin pinuntahan. So, kung bago kayo sa aming channel, ako po si Yen. Ano ba yan? Sana ba yung ano? Mag-ano ko ng tubig? Mamahaw kami ni Sophia. Teka lang. Yes, baby. You hungry? Tingnan niya. Labahin, oh. Mga damit niya kasi. Ay, sus. Kita na naman niya yung blanket niya. Yes. Say hi. Say hi lang ga. Say hi. Yes, shush. Glangi lagi ba? Agoy. Teka lang. Okay. Ako isbog-isbog dito sa baba. So, ito yung choco milk niya. Tapos, yeah. Tapos, meron akong breakfast cook from the hotel. You don't want? Here. Just want to? Yeah? Yeah, off now. Yeah, off now. You want this? Show mama open it. Say hi. Hi. Very good. Here, baby. Hold it. There. Yes. Here now. Very good. Okay. Agoy, aakyat sa upuan. Kasi sinanay ko kasi. Pick it up. Pick it up na. Good girl. Very good. Ay, nako. Ay, hindi ko pa dinisturbo si Bana kasi pagod yung kakadrive. And for sure, matagal yun siya natulog. So, tumatanda na din. Papasagdan muna natin. Teka lang na. Yes? Okay. Don't move, okay? Don't move na. Sakit pa ng regla ko. Lakas ng dugo ko eh. Kasi nung last time na regla ako, walang lumabas talaga as in. Parang drops lang ata. Nagtaka ako. Baka minupusal na aga naman. Minupusal. Maaga. OMG. Hindi tayo pa makabuo nito ng isa. Okay, eat it. Eat this one first. No. Okay, this one, you can just hold it. Banana. Banana. Hold. Yeah, eat banana then. Eat banana. Don't move. Hey, don't move. Binga na. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. So, nag-breakfast na kami. Ano lang, tinapay at saka itong black beans na yung panglagay sa mga munggo. Munggo. Ayan siya, oh. No. Pinakita din niya sa camera. No. Favorite namin yan ni Sophia. Give mama. Sit here. Are you murmuring? Nakita niya dada niya takbo agad. Gibiyaan niyang favorite. Let's see. Sleep well, Dada? Yeah?
Still woke up about 6:15.
We were awake almost 7. I think 6:30 or so. Huh?
I think it's just my body clock getting so used to waking up after 6 o'clock in the morning. Good morning.
This drama. Agas kong.
What do you want?
This is good drama.
You eating man beans again?
Change sa pukang-kang. Nak, you finish eating? Yeah?
She's a little picnic.
Yeah, all the time breakfast. Okay. Basean ko muna ng napi si Sophia. So, ito pala yung nakuha ko for the zoo park. Ito, yung I don't know how to call this one. Something like a magnet.
Fridge magnet?
No, but it's the thing. How do you call that one? Basta something like a dome. Something. And ito yung kinuha ko from the Burger Zoo. This sea cow. Sea cow. Kasi sobrang ganda talaga. Parang magic. Parang magical.
I only know about another 14 to go.
14 pa to go. Grabe, ang dami. So, we will try to visit them all. Not this year, but we will...
I would have come in years.
Yeah, eventually... Sus, grabe na. Ang tukative na ni Sophia. Yes? Oh, ho, ho. Yeah, ho. Na! Oh! Cover your nose. Oh, what is that happening?
Mama.
Yeah. How's your bite?
Itchy.
Itchy?
It's just itchy.
Nah, don't touch it. Don't think about it. No, ang nangyari kasi is, he doesn't want to eat outside. And I said, no, let's go so that we can see the giraffe and different background and that. But then there's a lot of wasp. So he was the one who's saying, oh, there's no wasp cage or something. And the andaming wasp, Sophia was running around playing with the little birds. And then, almost time na we finished our food, he was bitten. He's something like, what's that did you say?
I felt something inside my leg, and then I felt 2 stings. And
I was looking, and I said to him, yeah, he was doing like that in his leg, and I said, yeah, there is, because it fell.
yeah,
I saw it. It fell. I think it went inside his
leg.
leg.
And I unzipped it because it's one of these zipped trousers that I can take half the leg off, and then I pinched it, and I saw that it had the sting, so it did sting me.
So, we left our food. Normally, we have to clean it up. So, iniwan namin doon. Nagtatakbo na kami doon sa restaurant sa loob. And then, we asked the woman if, yeah, that he was bitten. But, yeah, the woman had this something like an thing to suck the sting out. And then, yeah, I used it. That's why nakita niyo yung picture. Yan yung tinatanggal niya yung kanyang zipper sa kanyang trousers. So, and then, they could not have, walang first aid na dumating. Was a bit disappointed kasi wala. Because of the, yeah, I think because of the virus as well. Kaya, walang tumulong. So, siya lang talaga mag-isa. Luckily, wala siyang, reaction.
Just happy I had no allergic reaction to
Yeah.
it. Otherwise, it could have been serious problems.
Then we will have a problem. So, thankfully, wala naman nangyari. So, dito lang muna kami. Teka lang, lalab siya.
A few moments later.
Mga lalabs, nagluto ako ng lunch para sa amin ni Sophia kasi gutom ako. Tapos, ay, ang ano ng tiyan ko, yung parang may aberya yung aming tiyan. Panay kami punta sa toilet. Pero ngayon medyo okay na, tapos may regla pa. Sus, paulit-ulit naman sinasabi, no? Pero eto na, niluto ko yung munggo. Ito pala yung bale, napakuluan ko na siya, tapos nilagay ko sa freezer. Tapos ngayon, niluluto ko siya. So, wala akong kamatis, wala, ano lang, onions. Tapos, ito yung aking rice. So, nagluluto pa siya. And, ang aking isda, ayan din, galing sa freezer, yung aking galunggong. So, magpa-fried ako ng isda. Magpa-fry ako ng isda kasi masarap kumain ng isda. Pero, sa labas ko siya gagawin kasi feeling ko mangangamoy isda sa loob ng bahay. So, gagawin ko siya dito sa labas. Medyo maganda naman yung araw. Teka lang, kailangan ko ng daan papuntang garden dito. Close kasi. Dami naman bike. Teka lang. So, eto yung aking cooker na hindi ko pa nalinis-linis talaga. Ito lang ako sa labas. May barbecue ako magluluto. Para yung amoy isda dito lang sa labas. Yan, nakalock na siya. Kakanuno, nakaikog isda, pinaritong isda. 1 kilo yung pinili ko. Meron pa akong mga 5 pieces doon sa freezer. So, at 6 pala yun. So, ayan no, tignan nyo. Super maduming tignan talaga, no? Pasensyahan nyo na. Ayan. So, para-paraan lang talaga, mga lalab. Sophia, away! Away! So, ito na. Palalab yung ating isda. Diba? Super sarap, super lutong niya. Kain muna kami ni Sophia. May gusto na naman siya na snack. Sabi ko hindi kasi kakain muna kami. Okay, get that. It's for you. Drink it first. Drink. You're wet. Here for you. Blow. Blow, anak. Here. Ah! Spoon. Mama, help me.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지